this is Jeff with AED Brands here to show you how to replace your pads and your batteries for your Defibtech Lifeline AED. Let's see how it's done.
The Defibtech is a bit different from other AEDs in that it has a main battery to power the unit, but it relies on a 9-volt battery to conduct the self-tests. If the indicator light on the AED is not flashing, that probably means it's time to replace the 9-volt battery. The 9-volt battery should be changed every 6 months. However, on devices 2018 or newer, the 9-volt battery should last you about 5 years. The AED will still work without a 9-volt battery, but the unit will not be able to perform any self-tests. Go ahead and turn the device on its side to locate the battery and the orange eject button. Press the button to remove the battery from its compartment. Take your old battery out and put it to the side so it does not get mixed up with your new battery. Make sure you recycle your old battery. Don't throw it away. Take your new battery and make sure there's a 9-volt in it. To remove and install the 9-volt battery, you would do simply as you would any other 9-volt battery. Make sure the battery lines up with its appropriate connectors and slide the lid back onto the battery. Go ahead and turn your device back on its side to install the battery and slide it into the compartment until you hear a click. Sometimes you may need to use extra force, such as the case with this device. Don't be alarmed, you won't break it. Please note that the device is going to initiate a self-test as soon as you install the battery. Don't be alarmed, this is completely normal. To locate your pad's expiration date, turn the device over and look at the upper right-hand corner of the pad's packaging. To remove the pads, unplug the connector from the top of the device and pull your pads out. You can discard your old pads into the trash. Go ahead and take your new pads and slide them in so that the wire is hanging out of the bottom left-hand corner. Don't tuck it in all the way. Go ahead and locate the connector at the top of the device and plug your pads in. Now you can go ahead and tuck your pads in nice and tight until the wire is taut, and you can tuck the wire into the guide. Now that you have just successfully installed your pads and battery, your AED is rescue ready.
We hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, give us a call because we're in it for life.